Welcome to Forestmaster, the UK's highest rated wood chippers, garden shredders and mulchers. Featuring a 9 horsepower engine, the FM9DDES shreds through anything up to 75mm in thickness with ease. The direct drive means no worn out parts, and the adjustable chute makes blockages a thing of the past. Need something with a little more torque? There's not a lot the FM14DDES can't get through. With a 14 horsepower engine, this model will shred through anything up to 100mm in thickness. Built for absolute power and performance, the FM14DDES is capable of shredding and chipping up to 125mm in thickness. With an unparalleled power to size ratio, they don't come more impressive than this. Check out the full range at forestmaster.com.